So I'm buying a BMS from a company called Contemporary Controls. Their stuff is like open source. So I have rooftop units that use MSTP, so it's BacNET. So they're daisy chained, and then I got this adapter, so it converts from MSTP to Ethernet, and then I got an industrial Ethernet switch, and then I got the server. So they all connect, and then this does inputs and outputs, so it can do like on off or 0 to 10 volts input and output. So I can send 10 volts, or so I can send 0 volts to tell something to shut off, or 10 volts is like maximum, or I can do like any range in between to adjust how much I want to do. So 10 to like, I bought these like, the first thing you want to do is our power supplies too. So you buy these, so you get a cabinet and then you get a DIN rail, and you figure out the spacing. This is kind of messy, I have to fix. But then I got AC power coming in, and I gotta add a circuit breaker here, but then I go to the DIN rail, to the AC DC adapter, and then these power up all of the devices. So this is gonna be for there's another system going in for paging. So this is gonna have it's gonna interface with the DRS system. And then I bought more like terminal blocks for all the wiring, so they were nice and neat. And I used the finger ducts. So I got finger duct gonna go all around the room. And yeah, and then I got banana cable for the doors. So this is I save a lot of money if I did this myself. But yeah, the website, if you buy these from Contemporary Controls, they make all kinds of stuff. And then everything has to talk to everything on this project. And you basically have a software, and you can talk to any device through it. So it's all web-based. You can design your own BMS program.